Welcome to the video tutorial for the Knowledge Mosaic Affordable Care Act Tracker. In this video, we'll show you how to use the tracker, sign up for tracker alerts, and introduce other ACA-related resources found elsewhere on the Knowledge Mosaic website. First, though, a bit of background. The Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act was signed into law by President Obama on March 23, 2010, and was subsequently amended by the Healthcare and Education Reconciliation Act of 2010. These two acts are known collectively as the Affordable Care Act, or ACA, and colloquially to some as Obamacare. The law's stated agenda is to expand healthcare coverage, control costs, and improve healthcare delivery systems for Americans. As a sweeping piece of legislation, the Affordable Care Act will, of course, not take effect overnight, but will be phased in over a period of several years. At the core of this phasing-in process is the creation of new rules by those federal agencies charged with implementing various aspects of the law. The ACA tracker identifies these new rules, along with other agency releases related to the implementation of the ACA, and allows you to search and receive alerts on them. The tracker is easily accessible from the Knowledge Mosaic homepage. Just look for the Ernest St. Bernard to the right of our tenacious Dodd-Frank bloodhound. You can also access the tracker from any page on the Knowledge Mosaic website by clicking the link under the Laws, Rules, and Agencies tab in the navigation bar. Results display in inverse chronological order, with most recent items appearing first. Click on the blue hyperlink to view a release, or mouse over it to see a summary of the document. The ACA reference column indicates the title and section within the Act itself that corresponds to a given release. Click the link to be taken directly to that title and/or section. You'll also notice that for some records, the Comment Date column includes a View Comments hyperlink. Our rulemaking tracker allows you to link directly to public comments on a release, often a proposed rule, when they're available. To enable more powerful searching, click the Show Search Filters expander link in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Filter by agency, topic, action type, or act reference. Note that you can make multiple selections within a single drop-down by pressing the Control key while clicking. The checkbox under Action Type offers you the ability to see only the Federal Register version of the releases, a helpful feature since certain releases will otherwise appear twice, once with the original agency version and again with the Federal Register version. The Dates filter allows you to limit your results to releases issued within a specified time frame. You can also limit your results according to when the release is scheduled to become effective, when public comments are due, and when compliance with the new rule becomes mandatory. Let's look at a specific example. Suppose you've been asked to pull proposed and final rules issued by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services that pertain to prescription drugs. Set the filters using the appropriate drop-down menus. To navigate through the alphabet soup of federal agency acronyms, you may want to refer to our Agency List resource. In this example, we're able to confirm that the right acronym is CMS. So now we can go ahead and click Search. Looking at our results, we see that indeed some of the proposed rules include links to public comments. We can also see that effective dates are given for final rules, and that some rules actually have multiple effective dates. Note that one final rule seems to appear twice, but again, this is merely owing to the fact that we show both the original agency version and the Federal Register version. To filter out such duplicate records, you can check the Show Only Federal Register Releases box and rerun the search. You can also resort your results by clicking on any of the column headers that are underlined. For instance, here's what happens when we sort our results by effective date. The Knowledge Mosaic ACA tracker also comes with an alerting system for those who wish to be notified via email of new rulemaking. Click the Customize Alert link near the top of the tracker page to get started. You must have an individual login, a unique username and password, in order to sign up to receive email alerts. You'll be prompted to log in at this point. The login prompt includes a Create a Personal Account link, which you can use to get your login credentials. If your organization allows access to our site without a login, this personal account is available at no extra charge. You can choose to customize your alerts using agency or topic filters. No matter what boxes you check, you'll receive no more than one alert per day, which will include any and all releases since the previous afternoon. Should you wish to go back to your alert to refine your parameters, you can access it from the ACA tracker page or from the blue News and Alerts tab at the top of any page on the Knowledge Mosaic website. Finally, Knowledge Mosaic offers a wealth of materials relevant to the Affordable Care Act beyond the ACA tracker itself. Full access to these materials is included as part of the same license that gives you access to the tracker. The related agency materials and related law firm memos links takes you to two broad search pages on the Knowledge Mosaic site, offering federal documents and legal commentary relevant to the Affordable Care Act, or any other search terms you wish to use. The blue tabs across the top of any page on the Knowledge Mosaic website allow you to navigate to any of our other search pages, including those covering public company disclosure and transactions through SEC filings, lobbying data, and more. Again, these are all included in your license to the site. If you have any questions or need assistance with the Knowledge Mosaic ACA tracker, click the blue tab labeled Support, which includes a list of helpful resources as well as contact information for Knowledge Mosaic support staff.